USB wall charger universal compatible with iPhone 14 14 Pro, 14 Pro Max, 14 Plus, SE, 2022, 13 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max, 13 Mini, 12 12 Pro, 12 Pro Max, 12 Mini, SE, 11 Pro Max, XR, XS Max, XR, by 8 7, 7 Plus, 6 6S Plus SE 5S 4S 5C, iPad 2, 3/4 Air Mini, iPods, Samsung Galaxy S22, S21, S21 Ultra, S21 Plus, S20, S20 Plus, S10, S10e, S9 Plus, S8, S7, S6, S5, A02s, A12, A22, A32, A42, A52, A72, A10e, A20, A50, A70, A80, A90, Note 21, 20, 10, 9, 8, tablets, Google Pixel 6a 6 Pro 54a 43a 3, 2, XL, Moto, Nexus, LG, HTC, more other Android cell phones. Fast charging wall charger, dual USB wall plug output with total current 5V, 2.1A and input with 100-240 volts, USB wall charger adapter will provide optimal charging efficiency automatically. Smart multi-port charging station phone wall charger will charging at high speed, charge 2 devices simultaneously. Safe and reliable USB charger cube, smart IC design wall charger adapts with overheated protection, overcurrent protection, overcharging protection. And charging will automatically stop when battery is full. Lightweight portable phone brick, simply plug in the USB cable, and plug the wall adapter into the wall. USB outlet adapter can be connected via USB cable at home, office or wherever you want to recharge. Compact, portable, stylish, easy to carry and store. What you get 4x2 port wall charger. Top reviews from the United States. 2 for 1. For just a few cents more you get 2 phones being charged from one plug-in from these smartphone charging units. For travel they have work well when you find you are in a location that has limited plug-in locations. We can that while the charging is just a little bit slower, it is not much to pay for the 2 for 1 phone charging each of these units give you.